Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to view someone's private TikTok account without following. So let's get right into it. If you want to just see someone's private TikTok account, head over to your profile and you can just search for the specific person you want to see. Like there can be BMW or some other users, and they might just private their TikTok account. So all you need to do is make a fake account perhaps, or you can just give them a follow. And if they accept your request, then you can just see their TikTok account. And yeah, that's it. And there's another one. If the TikTok account is yours and you just logged out of yourself by forgetting your password, you can just ask TikTok to help you to get reset it. So TikTok will just give you a verify number and verify. Once you verify it, you can just get into your private account. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out and see you in the next one.